This video will show you how to replace the cup holder insert in a Generation 4 Honda Odyssey, model years 2011 to 2017. This one's already been replaced, but I'll walk you through the process. This one is actually 3D printed. I manufacture and sell these at the link below, and because they are 3D printed, you can get them in various colors. Now, the first step is to open up the center compartment, and this whole plastic assembly here comes right out. So what you want to do is just kind of get your fingers right there, give it a tug, and the whole assembly pops right out. And now we'll take it inside, get these screws removed, and I'll show you how to swap out the insert. So what you need to do now is just take a regular Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to unscrew the few screws that go around the edge, which I'll do right now. So after undoing all those, these will come apart. Try not to lose any of my screws here. And this is the part you will actually get. So this kind of lifts out. It's got a couple hooks, and there you go. So this is what you'll actually be getting. It's, as you can see, very tough. This is made out of TPU plastic. And all you'll do is, if you look here, there's these studs and a couple of hooks around the edges. And all you'll need to do is line it up, click that in, stretch this side over. You see it fits right in. And then once I put the top over it, that's what you'll have. So now all that's left to do is screw the screws back into their spots. Now, one thing I like to do when screwing back into plastic when the threads have already been cut, I like to screw it backwards a little bit, and eventually you'll feel it kind of click into place. And once that happens, you'll just be going into the threads that have already been cut, so that way you're not chewing out more plastic unnecessarily. So there's the completed assembly, ready to go back in the van. Now that we got the insert put back in, all you have to do is take your assembly, pop it right in there, give it a good push, and you're done. That's it.